continue like this. He was just a nightmare. It's nothing to worry about. It's a reality. As long as we pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and turn wholeheartedly to God, I believe that God will protect our family. Yes. Please. Mario.
Can I talk to you?
Mario, I will be inside the house, you won't talk to me. When I want to go out, you will talk to me. What is it?
It's very important.
Okay.
Why don't you give me 10 million from the money you are paid so I can continue with my medical career?
Did you hear the amount you mentioned? 10 million. But, Mario, see, I do not have an issue with your choice of wanting to do music. What I have an issue with is the fact that you do not know what you want. You want to do music? I've never heard you sing in this house. Even a church hymn, I've never heard you. You say you like rap, okay. Sing one rap song, let me even hear. Disturb me with music, I've never heard it. Eh? I've never heard you sing. Why do you think I want to invest that kind of money in you? Even Saka the gate man plays music. If it's Saka that is telling me about 10 million to sponsor music, I will understand that he loves music, he loves dance. But you, I've never heard you sing. I've never heard you talk about music. Come on. How do you want to convince? Okay, let me advise you. Go to a studio with your pocket money, pay for a session. Record something, bring it, let me listen. Maybe I will appreciate what you're saying. Or better still, there are a lot of local musicians around. They do performances. Join one of them. Stage a show, a performance. Call me. I will come with my wife and my daughter. We'll come and listen. Then we'll be sure that you truly want to do music. But 10 million can't happen.
Dad, to make good music, you need money. There is no way I can make it like that.
Mario is telling me what I know. To make music entails money. But you have to start from somewhere. People like Bob Marley, Bonnie M, and even some of these your recent musicians, Two-Face, they started from somewhere. They didn't just bring millions of naira and start. They started from somewhere before getting there. That is why I'm advising you. Go and pay for a session in a studio. Record music and bring. Okay? Then you can come and talk to me. You say you don't have money.
My pocket money is not even enough.
Okay, good.
For me, talk more of music.
Go into the house. Go into your room, sleep, dream about music, because I've never heard you dream about music. Dream about it, and then you come and talk to me. You think 10 million is 10 naira? Pluck it from the tree. Go and dream music, then I will know you are serious. Huh? Hello? Oh yes, I was just getting into the car. Yeah.
Mario, you shouldn't be too stubborn towards our father. Come to me. Have you traveled abroad before? The answer is no. And that is why you should not overstress this matter.
I see you are sick as our parents. Who now allow their children to pursue their God-given talent?
Wait.
What's wrong with you?
See, Mario, I respect you as my elder brother, but that does not give you the right to speak to me in so disrespectful manner. What has come over you?
How dare you talk to your elder brother like that? You dare talk to your elder brother like that?
Hey, what is going on here? What is it?
Maybe nothing. We're just arguing about something like that.
Can you imagine this girl talking to me with her lousy mouth?
Mario, when will you ever learn to control your temper? It's not everything a woman says that you should respond to. Come back here. If you take one more step, I'm going to deal with you right here and now. Will you come back here? Have you gone mad? Or is something wrong with you?
No. But
Shut up! See, don't you ever address me the way you've been addressing my husband in this house. Don't talk to me like that. If you ever try to disrespect me or my husband in this house again, you see what I'll do to you? Leave my presence. And one more thing. Mario! As soon as my husband comes back, you must apologize to him. Is that okay? Better. Can you imagine that? What is wrong with him? When did he start growing wings like this? Where did he learn that from?
Yes, you were saying something. No, I don't know them. All I know is that my wife, my 2 children, and myself will be going together.
We have your passport as submitted by the company, and from the information reaching us, we would like to invite you and your family for an interview. I hope that wouldn't be a problem.
No, not at all. I'll do just that. So when do you want us to come?
At your convenient time, sir.
Sorry, please. I would like to make some corrections on the names that is there.
Oh, okay. 1 second, please.
Okay, take your time.
The names I have here is Andy Wabweze, Jane Wabweze, Amanda, and Malik Wabweze.
Okay, I would like to make a correction to one of the names. Once I come there, I'll do that, please. All right? Thank you when I get there.
boy,
My brother.
if that girl work out, we'll share big money.
Hey, you don't start to.
Mugu must pay.
I know.
Mugu must pay, I'll tell you.
Okay, this time around now. Wait till be my own percentage for the whole matter. Not just to cash out. I saw you do the last time. Mugu must pay, cash out. This one now. Waiting be my own percentage. They can know waiting and they do. Because you know, just the time you say you go cash out. At the end of the day, you go chop the money. Because I want you did the last time. And I'm not going to let that may happen again.
See this poor man. You're not gonna last. Wait, I tell you. The only person will get patience. Understand? Now they chop money. For this game now, what they tell you. What I need to do now is no plan this thing. When we go there, no hit down.
You say that tomorrow the game the end, Abi?
Yes. You know say that last game based on 0-0. You don't understand me, but this one now, if you no draw, don't hold me.
You know, if I look you like this sometimes, I could
I'm telling you.
You yourself they play bet. Hey, I don't die.
Yes, I know. Well, I don't know the clothes and shoes you have right now, but I will need them. Yes. And wait, you have me do something. Tell Angela those stuff she borrowed from me that she can keep them. I don't need them anymore. Yes. And I want you to do something else for me. I'll send you 100K so you can give to the girls just for their fuel. Yes, I know, right? You're very crazy, you know, right? You know, you're crazy. Okay, and when I travel, I will send you my new contact so you guys can contact me. You call me whenever you want to. You're crazy, I know. Oh, please, I have a lot to do. Please, I'll talk to you later, alright?
Yes. Like I said, I will need you to come and pick some things for yourself and your children because we'll be traveling in a few days' time.
I would appreciate if the passage you can send me because we don't have money for transport anymore.
Okay. In that case, I'm going to give you 200, okay?
200? Who will I be doing 200 naira?
I mean 200,000 naira. All right. Okay, later. Just in a few days, okay? All right.
Do you know that this girl has refused for us to come very close, like intimately? See you. My brother, I don't beg tire. Like, I have begged and begged and begged. But she refused. What to do now? I'll keep trying. Oh, you're not gonna understand. This girl, like, she did bust my head. Like, she did bust my head for real. I know what to do. I have a plan. Mm? There's this job, like a contract kind of, it's this kind of sublet someone introduced me to. I have a plan of on buying her a car. At least if I give her the car, make her know whether she go say no, say she not go agree. You don't understand. She did bust my she did bust my head. You don't understand. Yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, do you know what? It's late already. Let me not take much of your time. Can we discuss this thing when we see face to face? Let's book it in. Like tomorrow. Oh, perfect. Okay, what time?
Yes, hello. Yes. I really do not know what to do. They want me to go with them.
You shouldn't buy that cheap plot. They are planning to separate us, okay? Listen, baby. I mean, what will happen to us now? What will happen to the love and care you profess to me? What will happen to our unborn baby?
Maybe I should just go with them. In 6 months, we'll be back in the country.
No way. Listen. I think you should grow up now. You should stop acting like a weakling. By now, you should be able to differentiate between right and wrong. I think that's what your father expects of you.
I wanted them to go alone so that we can have some time together. But my father and mother will not let me have my way. I don't know what to do.
You had better stand your ground. Did you hear me?
By the time we travel abroad, my style and everything, the way I speak will change. Watch.
Huh?
Yes, now.
Huh?
Yes.
Hey!
What is that?
Don't walk like this, oh.
You know what I'll tell you? I will change the way I talk. Hello, everybody. Ini. Is that the way they talk abroad?
You walk like this and talk like this. And
Oh, sure. Through my nose.
don't do it, oh.
Why?
You will attack the police. They will think you are drunk and then they will arrest you and charge you for walking under influence.
I will tell them that I'm an African lady, precisely from Nigeria. That where we come from, we are so free to tell the police, get away.
Eh?
I mean, Siena Bois.
From there, they just throw you inside the plane and you come back. Don't try it, though. That place is not Nigeria. Don't try it at all. If possible, just speak Igbo to them. Let them deal with how to interpret it. Then you leave it. By the time they know what you are doing, you have already done. Then they want to know you more. It's not now that you will not be doing speaking all this guy. They think they are drunk. I will not be there, I'm telling you.
But on the most serious note, how I can work, did you like it?
You say that you did.
This one is not my legs, watch, let me do it again.
17, 18, 19, Baba.
What is wrong now? Why are you like this?
But then please come, let me enjoy you first. Before the British police and the Paris police will carry you.
You know you're the best man in the world.
Sex.
Sex, imagine it.
Really?
That's nice.
Back? That's how we're talking. Hello? Oh, no. It's not like that. Hello? No. Hello? Who am I on to, please? Hello, who am I speaking with, please? When I go out, I'll be like, hello? Taxi? Get it. Hello, taxi. Can you take me to Miriam Babangida Way, please? Oh my God! So, when I'm walking, pop on my hair, go to the back, I'll do like this, I'll do like that. Oh God, this is so cool.
My bad boys in the building. Fami Fanalo. It's the young flow. See, let's go there. Biakene, Emi Fanalo. Emi Fanalo. Biakene, Emi Fanalo. Emi Fanalo. Toi, Biawokem, Emi Fanalo. Emi Fanalo. Biakene, one Emi Fanalo. Hey, see, Biakene, Emi Fanalo. Who can I find me Fefanafo? So can I have to say finazo? Biaja Peki, what we say Finaco. Biawokem, Emi Feneme, Protecane, QFE Femunede, Ichiba, Namdi Roine, QM Mali Fendi Baydeme, Biakane, Opifuno Caneto, same sorry, Opibu Cancanezo, Mwaka, when I'm Mutombo, Oyasieba, Bicopotam Panoso, Nawada, Putacone, Yanga, Ichorema, QF no Chikanda, Motu Jebekachi, when they fell is in Nani, Bicopotamba Nefo. The money we cook you from the Qualagodo. Heavy snogging one cat, put the back, he's one on the local Magia, what an effeminate Bulondo, we put the Seneca, I cannot be money Bulodo, Nanika Jacoboko, every single Nobodo, no more Nagika, make up with our different Soko. If you will not be Babala, literally Yamokala, happy fun and magic is him again and money pass on one. If you found out, we go that. One if you found out, we go that. Oh, yeah, big it up, what I go, hey! I'm my, Biakene, Emi Fanalo. Emi Fanalo. Biakene, Emi Fanalo.
Yes, our traveling chest now.
Yeah.
And
I just want.
Saka, what is it? Huh?
Madam, good afternoon. Oga, good afternoon.
What is it? What do you want? Why are you here?
What is it?
Sorry, no verse.
Why are you here?
Yeah, nothing.
So?
Saka, why are you here? Wait.
I won't go down street to go buy recharge card. Then I won't from there buy newspaper because you know say this country now when money they find money they tell us. But what did they use the money do? We know they know. News they cut there. So I won't begin read newspaper now. Make I know what I did do a future.
Did you just say recharge card and newspaper?
Yes.
Does this place look like a supermarket? Or a shop or a vendor's place where they sell all those things? What is wrong with you?
Anyway, I don't have time for all this. Whether you are buying newspaper, you are buying a chat card, it's your business. Let me use this opportunity to tell you that we'll be traveling for 6 months. We are traveling abroad. And since we are going abroad for 6 months, then your services will no longer be required in this house. When we return, we'll now think whether we can call you back.
Hi, okay, anybody will give you this advice, Miss Sam? Why you won't do it like this now? New family, why I just get now? You won't just leave me like this, leave me go. How you want my feed my family? When my wife just gave a new, my mother depend on me. How I go take survive? Oga, I beg. I use God when they have beg you for this life. I beg, leave one person for this house with me and their day. Make they manage this house now.
Saka, please, don't cry for me there, please. I was only pulling your leg to say joke.
I didn't cry you. Na joke too. I did pull your leg. Na joke, I did joke. Oh my God.
See, Saka, but on a serious note, we are traveling for 6 months. Okay? And when we're away for 6 months, I want you to be here in the house and look after the house, look after the cars, look after everything. Make sure no intruder comes into this place. I know you are going to eat and do other things you need to do. I will leave some money with you, at least like 500,000. And you used to pay things, do everything, and then...
Okay, the you get point when I like 5.
It's not for you to spend.
Okay.
There are some things you need to pay. The man that is building this thing, you need to pay him.
How much you want to leave?
Saka, just go. I told you what to happen.
Oga, with this 500,000, I pray you will never return in peace. Return quick.
Saka is your problem. Let us go, please. Saka, go ahead. Where did we stop? Why are you still here?
Saka, go.
What kind of woman is this?
You are doing well. You are the one that bought this MP3 for him, that's why.
Is it not your boy?
From there, you don't see us. From there, if you look, they do this gate like prison. If you look from there, you don't see us. From there, here. Ha! Well, when people know this civilian, I said, you knock anyhow.
I want to see Mr. Mario.
okay. You don't feel it's common sense. No say thank you. Now just from outside the gate, enter inside the gate, you stop. What do you want to see for? Personal appointment, special intention, or personal decision?
What kind of question is that? Because I said I want to see Mr. Mario. You're asking me personal intention. Is something wrong with you?
You, if they tell you, don't know. People like you went fair, so go for like Sharia for Lagos. People went fair like this. When I say big carry illegal things enter. You really want to see him?
Gateman.
Hey, Gateman.
Gateman, stop embarrassing me, okay? I want to see my friend.
Hey! My name is Saka. Next time when you come Gateman, you no go like me. Okay. Do like this.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, yeah. Do like say you open your hands more.
Oh, yeah, but what's...
No, boy, come. Stop this. What's I'm saying? Because we did there before you. Baba, get up. You don't go hide for me.
What's your problem?
You don't go. What did you do?
Saka! Come here! Saka! Are you stupid? Come here with me! Why are you asking him?
Brother, oh my, what's this? What do you want to say?
Always come right. Come right and welcome.
Why be saying only black people they be gate man? I never see where fair person be gate man for any person compound. How come? Only black. Person die, black. We do burial, black. You see what I'm doing? You watch. Yeah. I told you I'm gonna. You see what I'm doing to you now? Watch. Play again. Good. Why? Hold your paw.
Boss Dikeh, Mr. Man.
Okay.
You want to scrap?
No, we'll wait before you come back.
Hello, Jerry.
How are you?
Fine. What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? I should be asking you the same question. But since I can see you with my elder brother, that answers my question.
Your elder brother? Wait. I mean, Mario. Is your elder brother?
My one and only. Are you okay, Jerry?
Oh, yes. I'm fine.
All right, I'll see you some other time.
When is that?
When exactly? Anytime, because you're married friend, so anytime.
Whoa! Shit. How pretty you're looking.
And the friend is here.
Oh yes, my friend is here. Ooh, what's that? Staying in the coffee shop.
Don't mind that.
Oh wow. Is that really your sister?
Yes. Don't look at her like that.
Okay. Okay.
She's not one of your regular girls.
Oh yes, actually. But is she really yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I actually discovered some tricks. So let's get on the game.
I'll kick your ass again.
A one, order. A two, order. A three, order.
Business we are into, man. You should know. Alright, okay.
Make sure you call me. Trust me, I got you, man. Alright. I'll keep in touch, okay? Alright.
Come on, go have it. Come on, get a man like you. So basically, Kasaga.
My one. Chairman. After you like you. Plus I toilet for you. Baba, I swear.
Good.
Boss, no verse for what happened before between me and you. I feel get 500 where you know they use now. If you come next time, I feel give you.
Good.
Okay. I feel get 200 naira. I just use two photocopy. When I go hang for my palo, I go give you the original copy.
The gates.
What of white? Make I use tie this anytime. Spot or go do okay. I don't say if you do it, you be baba. See this one day during the time of Nebuchadnezzar, I ain't gonna take over. I dress like this finish, she don't carry any money come.
This is my God, they give me money. They get money here. They call me, come on, get man. No problem.
But I'm not interested in being in a relationship right now. See, I've dedicated my life in helping people. I'm a humanitarian. I know, but all these things is drawing me backward. I don't like it at all. Please try and understand.
Who be that? Who be that? Who be that now? Oh, wait. Give me through. Where are these children? Huh? Don't they know where we're going? Mario! Amanda! Where's the bag with the passport?
Okay, yes, it's in the car. Guys, what's this one?
Mario! Mom, what's going on now?
Where's Amanda?
We should be asking you where's Amanda.
I think she's upstairs.
Amanda!
She's busy contouring her face and applying more makeup.
What? What's this? Get that phone! Get that phone! What? Wait, get the phone. I'll give it to you. What do you want? Get the phone. Get the phone! Get the phone!
My phone is not here. Take.
What do you want?
Hey.
Where is the money in this house?
Where is the money? Gallon. Think you're here for a joke?
Hey.
Okay. Please. Where is the money? The only money I have, I use it to send them on another place. I beg of you. I'll do it. Okay, there's the money in that.
The phone!
Okay, be fast about that! Fast! There's no money in the account.
Hey,
Okay, the
shut up.
One
person is missing here.
Okay, you think you're here for a joke, right? No, sir, please. No, sir, I don't forget the code.
The girl. Where's the girl?
Father, please, transfer.
Where's the girl? Huh?
I sent her another.
Amanda.
On another hand.
Please, leave my sister out. Please, leave my sister.
Where is your sister?
Please, I beg of you. Let's go. I beg you.
Give me. All this. Two of you are in charge. I'll be back.
Please don't touch my daughter. Do it. Don't move. I beg of you.
Shut up.
Okay, I think we're here for a joke, right? Keep quiet. Okay, you look like a gentleman. Please, can I shut up?
Come on. I don't want to keep repeating myself. I don't like the way you're stressing this thing. I have some things to do. I still need to wear my footwear. My parents are waiting for me downstairs. Please, can I just go? For goodness sake, can you just stop? I don't want to cut the call on you, please. That would be disrespectful.
Calm down. You see, I'm not here for a child's play. Okay? If not, I'll make sure I chop you into pieces. So cooperate. Do you understand? I'm sorry. You have saved yourself all this stress if you have done that transfer. Shut up! Who's keeping this guy? Come on! You don't have time. Who's keeping this guy? Akiri! The church! Let me check what that guy is doing up there. Okay. Shut up! Shut up! Shh, go away. Stop this nonsense! You know this is not part of our plan. Stop this. This is not part of our plan. There's someone in this house. Stop this. I'm so fucking what? Let's take what we have. No! I said no. I'm in charge here. You don't tell me what to do. Don't try this. Don't try this. I'm in charge here. So stop this! Shut up! I told you what we're doing here. Hey, come out! You! Come out! You! Come down! Come down! Come down! Come down! Shut up! Amanda! Leave it alone! Leave it alone! You know this is not part of our plans, right? Why do you have to do this?
surrounded. Drop your weapons. I repeat, drop your weapons.
I'm sorry, of course. Have you seen it? The police are here.
Jerry, you know him? This is Jerry. And this is Kay.
What? Mario! You brought your friends to set us up?
Yo, what's up? Yeah, guy, what is it for one now? Still everything remains the same.
Okay, so now who will you push me down to hunter?
Same bushmeat, same hunter. Understand? Okay? I want you to come over my house and pick up some goodies and some cash as well. You understand me?
Okay. You know how it is now. You roll out anyhow with me.
What if they had shot us? Mario, is this how you're going to pay us back for what we did for you? Even though you are not a biological son.
Hey.
After all we had done for you, Mario. You brought these your friends to kill us for money?
Innocent baby here. Honey. Look at the baby here. I don't know who dropped this baby.
Oh, who would have done this barbaric act?
I don't know. Please, honey, let's take the baby inside.
No. Don't tell me that. You want us to take the baby inside?
Sweetheart, please.
You don't know who dropped the baby and you want us to take it inside. What do you mean?
This can be so heartless of us if we can leave this baby here. Let's take the baby inside, please. Please.
Mario, I am disappointed at you. What if they had shot us and killed anybody?
Daddy, please forgive me.
Please? Forgive you? You don't even look sorry.
Please forgive me.
What if they had killed us? All for money. So we made a costly mistake accepting you into this family.
I did not know what I was doing. I was so sensitive. Daddy, please forgive me.